Do you think French is one of the hardest languages to learn? What if I told you that you already know hundreds, maybe even thousands of words without realizing it? English and French have been influencing each other for nearly 1,000 years, which means they share a huge amount of vocabulary, similar grammar patterns, and even familiar expressions. In today's video, we will look at some surprising similarities between the two languages. By the end of the video, you'll see that you're already much closer to speaking French than you might think. The reason English and French have so much in common goes back almost 1,000 years. In 1066, the Norman conquest brought French speaking rulers to England. For centuries afterwards, French became the language of the government, law, literature, and upper classes. Today, it is estimated that around 30% of English vocabulary has French origin. One of the biggest advantages for English speakers is something called cognates. Cognates are words that look similar and have the same meaning in both languages. Here are a few examples. Restaurant, animal, important, minute, police, information. You can probably guess the meanings without even studying them. Of course, pronunciation changes, but recognizing these familiar words gives you a huge head start. French and English also share very similar sentence structures. In both languages, the basic order is subject, verb, object. For example, I eat apples. In French, je mange des pommes. The order stays almost exactly the same. This makes it much easier for English speakers to build some simple sentences compared with languages that use completely different word orders. Another advantage is that French uses the same 26-letter alphabet as English. Unlike languages such as Japanese, Arabic, or Russian, you can begin reading French almost immediately. You'll notice a few accented letters. These accents help with pronunciation, but they don't mean you're learning a completely new writing system. So, how can you use these similarities to learn faster? First, pay attention to cognates. Whenever you discover a word that looks familiar, write it down. Second, read beginner friendly books or articles. You'd be surprised at how many words you already recognize. And finally, practice speaking every day. The more often you use familiar vocabulary, the faster it becomes part of your active memory. Small, consistent practice is far more effective than trying to memorize hundreds of words at once. Learning French doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Thanks to centuries of shared history, English and French have thousands of similarities that make learning much easier than many people expect. By doing the things we discussed in today's video, you'll make steady progress towards fluency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt.